done. Go on.
Okay, today we're going to be talking about 3D shapes, perspective. So we've done our 2D shape lesson, we've touched on 3D shapes, and now we're moving into perspective and labelling these. So I have my two helpers over there who are just out of camera. So we have what 3D shape is this, girls? Allegra?
A cube.
A cube. Happy that's a cube?
Yeah.
And what are some of the properties of a 3D shape? What are some of the things you can remember? So what is this on the...
A side. It's a
Starts with
vertex.
vertex, yep. And what's this bit here?
A side.
Or another name for that? Face. And on the
It's a bottom.
bottom, or another B word? Vertex, vertices, faces, and bases. Okay. So now we're going to look at this as perspective. So how these look from different things. So we have what we call, this is called the front view. So it looks like that from that. So that's the front view, girls.
Yeah.
On that, what's that called?
Side view.
And if you were a bird flying,
Eye view.
or a
Top view.
top view, perfect. So, for example, what happens if I take the top three off? Does that change how it looks at the front?
No. I mean, yes, because it's one smaller.
Yeah. Does it change how it looks from the side?
Because it's one smaller.
Yeah. So it's like taking the icing off a cake. If I take another one off, does it change what happens at the front?
Yeah.
Does it change what happens from this bit?
Yeah.
Does it change what happens from the top, the bird's eye view?
Yes.
You can see it from over there.
Yeah. Oh,
If you drew that on a bit of graph paper like we'll do in a minute,
no.
does it look different?
Yeah.
No.
No.
So remember, and these are things we'll see in our daily life. You know, you might become an architect, or you might become work in construction. So I'll show you a little example of this. Can you see that, Mark? So we're
Yep,
going to look at
I've got it.
Got it?
Want me to go closer?
That's right.
That's fine.
So we're going to Parkdale Primary School. Let's zoom in to Parkdale.
Yeah, that's fine.
So this is, what do you call this? What will that view be of Parkdale Primary School?
Top view.
Top view. So that would be the view like this, is that right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yep. Then if we... I'm trying to get around to the front here, but technology is... Okay. So this, if we're looking at from the street level, what would that be?
Side view.
Or the...
Top view. What?
From this view,
The front.
the front view.
Yeah.
Exactly right. So, in the next... For this lesson, we're going to get some graph paper, and we're going to use these unifigs, and I want you to create some of your own shapes and draw them on the graph paper and see if you can draw it from the front view, the side view, and the top view.